Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you one of the best AI tools that I noticed online. It's called DeepSeek. It's better than ChatGPT in my opinion, okay? And this tool here is to assist you to do your work very easily. Those of you who are web designers, those of you who are data analysts, data scientists, this tool can help you to support you to generate codes and also helps you to facilitate your work as you work in this environment. Let's dive in there. Let me show you. You can go down below the link and click. You will be able to get your own account and start using this tool. Okay, so this is DeepSeek, okay, your AI robot. So right here, we'll just be doing some prompts. But before we go there, this is where we can attach a file for DeepSeek to analyze for us. And these are some other prompts that I did some days back, okay? And this history of some other prompts that I did. I can go back. So it's easy to create your own. You can access this anytime, anywhere in the world, okay? So right here, I'll ask DeepSeek to multiply. Let's start by basics, okay? Multiply 10 by 100, okay? And then I'm going to send this prompt and click enter. You see, multiply 10 by 100. So DeepSeek is thinking, okay? So it thinks out and then multiplies that by 100. You see, so it says write the numbers and then multiply the numbers and then final answer, it gives you 1000. Okay, now I'll ask the same question. I'll just come here and I copy. You see, I'll copy here and then I'll come here and I paste Control C, and then I'm going to click this deep think. I'll put this on. When I put this deep think on, this deep think on, now it's going to analyze this question more in depth, okay? And then I click enter. So it's going to analyze this question now more in depth. It's going to give me a more detailed aspect of that question. You see here, it indicates that it is now thinking, okay? It's analyzing, you see, analyzing very detailed. So it comes here and say, okay, the answer is asking to multiply 10 by 100 again. Let me check the previous interaction. Okay, you say, oh right, I already provided a step-by-step explanation and answer. Maybe they want to confirm the answer or I didn't understand it the first time. I should make sure my response is clear. So we see it goes detailed and give you the answer. So you can use DeepSeek like a calculator. Okay, the next thing that we can do here, remember that we can also edit your prompt from here. I can say multiply 10 by 100 and show me on a table. Okay, and then I click send. So now I have updated that question. Now it is just learning the art of coining questions and strategizing your questions to be more specific such that DeepSeek can go ahead and gives you the answer in a more accurate and more efficient way, okay? So remember, my think deep thing is still on. That is why it is going right detailedly to give me analysis before it gives me the answer. You see, now it breaks it down on a table. You see, this is a table here. The next thing I want us to see, we'll just go ahead and write new chart and we click. So it clears off everything. Right here, I'm going to tell DeepSeek to create me a website. Create a website where children are learning computer skills in Cameroon. I want it to have, I want it to have, sorry, to have green and blue colors and a donation section. You see, and I click, I want to remove this deep think, and then I click and I send that question in there. So I've asked DeepSeek to create me a website, okay? So those of you who are website creators, it's gonna go now, create me, give me an analysis and then begins to create the code. You see, this is the code that it is creating. So if you have a playground where you can run these and have a website, you can just copy this code and put it there. Okay, so this is how powerful DeepSeek is. This is a free version. I just imagine how the premium version can look like. Okay, so it says this is CSS code, and then let's see this code, HTML code. Okay, okay, great. Okay, it's still creating, it's still generating. All right, this is good. So now I'm gonna go down here, and then I run this code. When I click run, you see that it's gonna open up on my website. You see, this is my website. You see, Key Tech Cameroon, home, about. These are the different pages, okay, that I created. This is about. It gives us the about. This is courses. It gives us the different courses. This is donate. It takes us to the donation page and it says donate now. This is just a demo, okay, and then it gives the in the number, etc., etc. Okay, so this is how you can generate a website using AI without stressing yourself to do anything. So I can copy this code, even this code, and paste it somewhere and generate this on. So this is what we have here for the website. I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you something very quick again. Lastly, I'll clear my chart and I want to show you a table here. I want to show you a table here. This table that you see here, this Excel sheet that you see, we have sheet A, okay, we have sheet B, we have sheet C on one workbook. So here we have the period of studies, you have the sex, male, female who are studying, you have the status, IDP, returning host who are studying. So right here, I've named this sheet YouTube lessons. So I'm going to come here now and I attach this file to DeepSeek. Is YouTube lesson. This is it here, and I'm going to click this. So the file is attaching here. So I'm going to come here, look at my sheet. I want DeepSeek to analyze this data for me, okay? So we have the period. So I just want to find out DeepSeek. I want DeepSeek to tell me how many male, okay, attended in the evening in sheet A, B, and C. Okay, please. I want this to show this or present this on a table format. Present this on a table format. Okay, and we click enter. So DeepSeek is going to go to this sheet now and analyze this sheet for us. Okay, so now all I need to have is my internet while I do that prompt and I stay quiet. Okay, so DeepSeek is saying that sheet A had 20 meals in the evening. So this is the downside of it now. You see that DeepSeek is not giving me the right answer here because in sheet B, we don't have zero. We have some males who did it in the evening, okay? So I'm just gonna come here, filter this back and put it on. Now, I want us to interact with DeepSeek. I want to go back to DeepSeek. I want to tell DeepSeek that this, check again, properly. Should count the number of male and female in sheet A. You see sheet A, comma, B, comma, and C. Put this on a table, okay, and then I click, let me click deep think, okay, and then we push this and let's see. Now I have put the deep think on. Perhaps it's going to now go better and check this for us because deep think is on. let's see how this goes. So it is analyzing the different data, analyzing. Remember, our question was check again properly, count the number of male, female. So that's it. So that's DeepSeek doing the checks, doing the analysis, counting and going down there to really get the exact result that we are looking for. You see, so it takes time to really count, takes time to really analyze. So it's really going from step to step to really give us the data. But my focus is to see how DeepSeek will summarize this by the end. You see, so it's really analyzing, going in depth, checking the data one on one, making sure that it's analyzing. You see, so this is powerful. So this is powerful. It continues to check, continues to check, continues to check, and this is so powerful. I think it's because I put the deep think on. That is why it's really going through that. So you see, what it did. Wow, this is powerful. So he went to sheet A. It says 32 male, 101 female. B 82, 84 male. So I still think that DeepSeek still left some out, but it tried. Remember, this is just the free version, okay? So let's go back to sheet A and see the number of male, and then we confirm. So sheet A here, to get the number of male is simple. We'll just come here, just do some filters, and then we remove female at the first, and then we just highlight. And then here we have 125 female, male. And if we come here again and we highlight again, we have 134 female. Okay, so DeepSeek has counted but was not able to count all. So that's one of the downside of DeepSeek, but it is so amazing to use DeepSeek when you are doing your analysis. Okay, so I hope this helps. Hello everyone, I hope this AI tool helps you to start working and also making your work very easy. Of course, AI is AI, okay? We are always going to beat AI when it comes to thinking, when it comes to work environment, okay? AI is just there to support you. And please, it's time to start learning some of the AI tools to be able to use them to facilitate your work. See you some other time.